In this video, we will be seeing what is ternary operator. Ternary operator is a conditional operator where we use a condition, and based on condition, we will be value. We will be taking the value, or we will be taking the decision. So ternary operator, it is called ternary because it has got three expressions in it. Like, the syntax for using the ternary operator is we write the condition followed by a question mark, and after the question mark we write two expressions. That is, the first one will be the value to be taken if condition is true. So whatever condition we are mentioning, if that is resulting true, if that is giving true result, then the first value will be assigned to LHS or will be printed on the screen based on what, in which situation you are using this operator. And then the second value will be written by separating the first value, separating it from first value using a colon. So here value to be taken if condition is false. So this is the syntax for using ternary operator. The first expression condition, second expression is the value one which is taken if condition is true, and the third is value to be taken if condition is false. Because we are using condition in this operator, it is also called as conditional operator. So you can use this ternary operator when you do not want to use the if statement. Like, if statement also uses a condition, and there we will be able to execute block of statements when the condition is true. But when you have only small code, like short code if you are having, and you don't require block of statements and all, then for using as short form of if, we can use this ternary operator in Java. So if you do not want to write block of statements or lot of statements, and if you have only less code or values to be taken based on condition, then in that case ternary operator is used. So it's like short form of if statement. Now let's see it practically. So for using this ternary operator, so I'm keeping the syntax now down, and then here I'm going to declare a variable A and B. Now let's take values for A and B from the user. So for taking it from user, I'm using a scanner class and creating a scanner class object here to take the values for A and B from user. And always when we use scanner class, we use it with system.in, because system.in is used mainly for taking the user input, and to scan the format we use scanner class. In order to use this scanner class, we need to import this scanner class from Java util package. So for that we need to add this import statement, import followed by java.util.scanner class. Now we can assign the value taken from user. So first let's give message to user to enter these values, like enter A and B. So I will be giving a message to user, enter A and B. As A and B, we are going to assign it to A and B variable by using the scanner class object along with the predefined method next int, which is present in scanner class. Same way, another next int we can scan and assign to the next variable B. So now we have got A and B variable from user. Now we can use the ternary operator. So for ternary operator, I am declaring here another variable int c equal to, and the condition I am giving here a greater than b. Then I'm taking a question mark. Then I'm taking the first value, as you can take the left hand side of any data type. We can take integer or we can take string, which we will be seeing next. So here a greater than b as condition we have kept here. And if a is greater than b, a value will be assigned to c. If not, then B value is assigned to C. So C will hold the greater. If you want to find the greater number from two numbers, then you can use this. So system.out.println, and I'm giving C as the result. So C value we are going to print, which holds the value of the greater, whichever is greater, that value. So, so before applying this, let's also print. So here, like we are printing C, before printing C, let's also print A and B. So I'm printing here A and B value also before using the ternary operator. You can print it in same line also, like this. So I can here use a plus and combine this. Now if I execute, if I run the program, I will be getting on console the message enter A and B. So when I enter A and B, I'm entering A value and B value. So you can see B is greater. So we get the C value as 45, which is B value. So we can also use here, instead of int C, we can use string message, and we can keep C also, you can take, not required message. Let's take C. So if A is greater than B, here we can assign a string message as good morning I'm taking, and if it is less than B, then let's take good evening. So based on our values, the message will be printed. So when I run now, I will be getting enter A and B. A value I'm giving 45, B value 56. I get good evening because A is less than B. If I execute again, and if I give A value as 50 and B value as 25, that is A greater than B. So now I get good morning. So based on the condition result, the value is taken or assigned to LHS. Or if you do not want this LHS, if you want to directly print the result, then that also you can do by using directly in system.out.println. So here result I have taken. Now this I'm going to again enclose in a parenthesis so that it is not getting mixed up with plus value, plus symbol. So like here, I have enclosed the complete expression, all the three expressions within again parenthesis. So now if I run, I get enter A and B, 56, 67. So I get good evening. So I have not used any C variable. I am here directly printing the value. Based on the condition, the value will be printed on screen. So this way we can use ternary operator when you do not want so many statements to be executed based on condition. When you have only some values like this, if you want to take values based on a condition, then it is like short form of if statement and can be used whenever we want in our program. So this way we can use ternary operator, and we can have condition in the program, and based on condition, the result. So ternary operator syntax is condition, question mark, value to be taken if condition true, and then colon, value to be taken if condition is false. So these two values are separated from condition using a question mark, and both the values are separated from each other using a colon. Watching the video, and please do subscribe channel for more videos on Java.